Thank you very much, Mr. Rao. And the last point that he made, we will have that in the panel discussion and ask for response from Mr. Chaurasia. And regarding the documentation of practices, I'll not speak about it, but we are documenting this whole conference, and it'll be put on YouTube just in case you're scribbling your pads for data. It'll all be on in video, so that's not required. And due to this, generally when panel goes over time, they cut the time for questions, but we'll not do that. And we will still have 15 minutes for questions and 15 minutes for panel discussion. That means that the lunch time will be cut a little bit. But if someone's very hungry, they can go ahead right now. And so I invite Mr. Mistry to conclude the session.
We have arrived at the ending time of this session. Within 5 minutes, I will conclude. We have heard about the holistic concept of environment, a warning if environment is not protected, and reasons why we are damaging, depleting this environment and generating pollution. Then we heard about the specific problems of Mumbai, Assam, Jaipur, PPP model, and difficulties in implementing these MSW rules. Looking to the issue of Mumbai, Assam, it seems that population explosion and urbanization, infiltration, evasion of people at certain places, and it was also stated that there is no land is available for the waste deposition or the treatment. To this serious point we have come. It was also criticized that municipal authorities are not doing as per expectation, and we receive complaints from public that so much waste is accumulated here. Order is coming like that. Everybody in all states, I think we are facing this problem. Even Pollution Control Board was also criticized that what are they doing? Yes, it is true. They do. But what they are doing and why they are not doing something is also to be understood. But one thing is certain, when we have made law, we have to implement it. And suppose people are not implementing, then what should be done? That answer is also given in our ancient philosophy, but I think we have forgotten that. When laws are made and people are not following it, again golden advice is given like this. Agratah chaturo vedaha. O people, these 4 Vedas are in front of you. This knowledge is kept before you. Agratah chaturo vedaha. All advices are here for you. But suppose you will not follow it. Paschat shashrodhanuhu. If you will not follow the advices for the welfare of you, then paschat shashrodhanuhu means there is a bow and arrow, means punishment will follow. And therefore in our all statute books we find last chapter as penalty and procedure. Act is made, rules are made, all provisions are stated, and the last chapter is penalty and procedure. Means if you will not follow these rules made for you, made for our coexistence, then see penalty and procedure also there. We had one event with CNBC channel a month before in Gandhinagar. So after such type of deliberation, one person asked that why there is a difference that if private company or private industry commit offense, you are prosecuting them. And if government companies or government authorities violate the rules applicable to them, you are not prosecuting. What is the reason? Question is correct. Let us see the perspective of these MSW rules. MSW authorities in Mahanagarpalikas are mostly commissioners, IAS officers. In Nagarpalikas, we have say 160 Nagarpalikas and some 10 Mahanagarpalikas, IAS and bureaucrats are there. If criminal prosecutions are instituted in the court of law for the violation of MSW rule, how they will feel? And will government allow? We have some IAS and IFS officers as the chairman. If we have to prosecute them, is it possible in this country? Government has made some procedure. If one government department has to institute any legal matters against the another department of the government, don't go into the court directly. Come to the high-level committee formed at some chief secretary level. Discuss the issue, tell them, resolve the problem, understand difficulties of each other, and then proceed. So this applies, break or some difference between the approach with the private institutions and public institutions. And therefore, the implementation of MSW rules seems slow. But it does not mean that we have to drop it. We have to carry out the discussions with them. See, our Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation has declared a project to make Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation of zero MSW waste by some 2030. They have made MOU with some companies who will make Ahmedabad where daily 3,600 metric ton of MSW is collected. So they have declared their plan. We asked plans with other Nagarpalikas and Mahanagarpalikas that how they will follow this MSW rule and make the cities waste-free or wasteless. So rate of treatment should be equal to or rather more than the rate of accumulation or generation, but this is not found. So legislators have to observe all these things and find the solutions. Simply criticizing will not give any solution. It is not giving also. So this is the difficulty, particularly with MSW rules, because there we have to deal with the government authorities. Government authorities will become accused. Nobody will like. Will government with higher authority will allow it? Therefore, the best solution is to conduct the discussion with the high-level committee in the government and carry out the. Government is always ready. Government is ready to give fund also. See, our government was giving fund to GPCB, Gujarat Pollution Control Board. But after my arrival, I wrote a letter to the government. We do not want a single coin from the government. We do not want any budget from the government. Budget is required for, say education and health department. And we are self-sufficient. The letter is written. So, we are dependent on our resources. Now, most important point I would like to say, if any representative of MOEF is here. States are collecting water cess under the Water Cess Act and rules. And they have to deposit every month by RTGS to the Government of India in the consolidated fund. Whatever amount is collected is to be deposited to the Government of India every month. But law is also there that 80% of this fund collected by the central government is to be reimbursed to the states for their working of these boards or implementers of environment laws. But let me say, this is not regular. We regularly deposit every month, lakhs of rupees every month. But 80% are not being reimbursed to the states. Suppose some poor states, how will they carry out their fund for the implementation of environment laws? And despite government is making some riders over that you cannot utilize this fund in that and in that. There should be liberty. There is no such rider in the law. 20% from each state is for the central government that they should receive. And 80% should be returned to the states so that they can do implementation of the MSW rules, or there are more than a dozen rules under the EP Act. So great implementation is required. So if this is done regularly as per the expectation of, I don't say they are not returning, but they ask many questions. Where will you expend? Have you deposits in the court? You have sufficient money. So first utilize them, give utilization certificate and then ask reimbursement. Suppose I have no money, how will I incur expenditure? If we have money, we will incur the expenditure. So this difficulty is there. We are discussing it with the central government in one such conference of all chairmen and MS of all pollution control boards at Delhi. This question was asked to the then Environment Minister of the center, that is it not possible that all states retain 20% with them, 80% with them, and every month they will deposit 20% to the central government? The Honorable Minister said yes. He asked Secretary, why? Is it not possible? But this question has remained there with the full stop. So I would like to request to the MOEF and central government that please regularly, as states deposit water cess every month to them, also please reimburse every month 80% to the states. This will help us in implementing all these environment laws, including MSW rules also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Mistry. And so the panel has ended. Sorry, okay.